Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create another account on Instagram. First of all, what you have to do is open your Instagram application and then click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on Add Account. Click on Create New Account. If you have an existing account, you can also select the upper option. So I will click on Create New Account. Then you have to create a username. Click on Next. And then click on Use Mobile Number or Email Address. And then choose a password and click on Next. Now you have successfully created an Instagram account. Now to access that account, what you have to do is long press your profile icon on the bottom right corner. And you'll be able to see all of the connected accounts or added accounts on this section. Simply select that account and you will be switched to that profile. So that's simply how you can create another account on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.